and my name is Kelly.
Hi, I'm Kelly Kortz, and we're from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we will study about the basics of psychology. So let's get started. Every human being is the same in certain ways, and yet unique in their own way. Although each one of us humans are built the same way biologically, with the same structure and physiological makeup of organs and parts such as brains, we still react, think, and feel differently. Let us look at a situation and understand how two different people react to the same situation. Harry has been a regular investor in the stock market. Although a software developer by profession, Harry has been ardently investing ever since he started working about a decade back. In fact, he is such a seasoned investor that he is thinking about giving up his job and taking up investing in stocks as a full-time occupation. James started working as an independent architect after his graduation. In the initial years of his career, he worked for a reputed architecture design firm and then ventured out on his own. Ever since, his best friend Rena introduced him to the world of the stock market, and James has been regularly investing in stocks. So why do you think Harry and James reacted to the same situation in completely two different ways? Both of them had lost a lot of money. Both had lost all their savings. And both were under a huge amount of debt. In fact, Harry was the more seasoned investor than James. Then why did Harry get perturbed by this turn of events, whereas James was able to take it in stride and move on? You can understand here that the way in which Harry and James or any other person reacts to a situation greatly depends upon his or her own mindset, past experiences, mental thought processes, belief systems, confidence levels, etc. In short, the psychological makeup of a person is largely responsible for everything that a person says, thinks, feels, believes, and does.
Let's review the course objectives. Explain what is meant by psychology. Describe the advent of modern psychology. List the branches of psychology. Explain basic premises of psychology. Explain the approaches of psychology. Explain the modern approaches to psychology. Explain psychology and the nervous system and the brain. Explain how neurons work. Explain relation between neurotransmitters and behavior. Explain psychodynamic theory of psychology. Explain components of human personality. Explain Freud's defense mechanisms. Explain Freud's concept of dream analysis. Explain the Gestalt school of psychology. List the challenges to the field of psychology. The term psychology has been derived from two Greek words, psych, which means life, and logos, which means explanation. Psychology as a social science scientifically studies the mind and behavior which influences our day-to-day lives, professional well-being, and our relationships with family members and society. The vast field of psychology includes various branches and their areas of concentration, such as psychometrics, biological, development, educational, personality, social, organizational, counseling psychology. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Psychology is predominantly based on three important premises. Human beings have brains, which is the most complicated thing in the whole universe. They even have minds, which cannot be seen in its physical form, but it does have an existence. People are keen on observing and analyzing other people's behavior and assessing their mindset. The frontal lobe. This is located in the frontal portion of the brain and is responsible for reasoning, higher-level cognitive capabilities, language expression, and motor skills. The frontal lobe receives information from the rest of the other lobes of the brain and makes use of this information for body movements. Damage to this lobe may result in the changes in various habits, affect attention, and socializing abilities. Peter is shy and an introverted individual ever since his childhood days. When he was in school and high school, he was bullied notoriously by his classmates.
Any form of substance abuse such as alcohol, drugs, or tobacco can only lead to addiction and does not solve any form of mental imbalance in the brain, and hence, any form of substance abuse or addictions should always be avoided.
According to Freud, dream analysis can provide some crucial insights on the unconscious mind of a person. In his book, The Interpretation of Dream, which was published in 1900, Sigmund Freud tried to highlight that the main purpose of dreams was wish fulfillment or work on those repressed issues or desires which were away from the conscious realms of reality. This is just a demo of the complete course. With every course, you get to view the course content online, download the PowerPoint presentation, and get the course completion certificate. With new courses added regularly, we offer a continuous learning platform. Join our premium membership plan and get access to unlimited courses. All of our plans are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. We are so confident that you'll enjoy the membership that we're willing to let you try at our risk, not yours.